Ka Office Jong District AIDS Control Officer Ri-Bhoi District Mentaksni Kalaraki Yakawal AIDS Day Dakajing Angnut Banpin Priang ka KHUBOR Halor ka Jingma Jong Oknyang Jingpang Ñiangkulia New HIV Bat Banpin Shairu Shikipadba Yikila Jingyada no New Oknyang Jingpang Haka Jiyalang Kabla Pinlong ha Science Hall Haka Nigasni Uba Sustenance Sotun Menteri Katnat CNRD ka Sorkar Jila Madeiru UMLA bat MDC ke Jirang, ula Shimbinta kum Ukongsan, hak Jingdon lang u Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner ke Ri-Bhoi, kum Usimbut Kongsan, ke Dr. E. Kalwing, District AIDS Control Officer Ri-Bhoi District, ki Samla Puli Nurse, lembat kiwe-kiwe. Lingba kani kasni, la yo ru ban pin sa priang ki KHUBOR, halor ke jingma uni uknyang jingpang, bangila ban yo na ke jingtialok baklem jingyada, ke jingpindan kam do uju utrania injek, bat kiwe-kiwe, lembat kidak kishin bapau shabar hakibriu, ki yo uni uknyang jingpang, bat khamtam lingba kani kasni, la long ru ke KHUBOR shikipat ba, bakim day ban Ibeiñ ni nyobeñ yekibriu ba yo te uknyang jingpang, Hindray ban ay minsim yaki, bat ban pinchlor bakidey ban lech ki jaka sumar, bat bandi testai ki dawai, kumbala bathai de ki doktor. Ha bakren ha kanigasni, nakalyang ka Dr. E. Kalwing, kalapintip batang Ri-Bhoi District, hadu minta, kidon kumba inyo spa prapu arngut, kiba im bat utay uknyang jingpang, Lai spa and Riupusaw ngut kidey kibalas dang ban koin, bat saw spa prapo kidey kibadang don hapdeng ke Jingshah sumar. Kalau ongru baki brio ki ba im bat HIV, bonsin ki mat ika Jingshah Ibeiñ namar ba ka jingpang, kamla ban pinkon, Hindray namar ba ka Imlang Sahlang, kadang sa adien kerukom perkhat perdan, namar HIV, batay yu ubrio, Hindray ka Jingshah Ibeiñ, ka kampin sniw banyo tayo kanyang jingpang.
Through hidden streams, unprotected love, at risk it seems. Let's break the silence, show we care for those living with AIDS. We dare stand together, hand in hand, fight the stigma.
Kelong makin suntenang suken nama rupa nak kena sabar yang kena senang kena dong atau mungkin cai. Juga syukur senang, juga syukur berniaga orang yang sedih semua yang semua. But ini rupi action person. Ini tentu saja orang ini cukup utama. Nama boleh. Ada sahaja syukur akan kenal tahan kecil. Warna kami semua bendi mereka kamai lapar.
Any other issue prevalent in the society. The reason is because if proper attention is not paid to how to control the menace of AIDS, HIV, it's something that can enter any house without knocking on the door. And that the entire society should be watchful of. We have all heard from Dr. E. Kalwing that what are the statistics, simultaneously the ways of transmission of HIV. But the point is that apart from this program, Dr. Kalwing, my request is to take this message to every village, to every school, to every college, so that it serves two purposes. First purpose is that people are aware, people are vigilant, and simultaneously it also enables us, or it also basically helps us to eliminate the different kinds of misinformation, different kinds of rumors that are currently prevalent about AIDS and HIV.
Indicates that each and every one of us, we have to take part in eradicating the AIDS. And this year, the theme of this year is very important and meaningful. overcoming disruption, transforming its response. In life, problems are there, and each and every one of us, we have some problems, especially with health issues. But normal problems we can overcome. But with regards to the HIV/AIDS, it's a disease which, as our Deputy Commissioner stated, HIV/AIDS will not come and tell you that I will come and stay with you. You will not know. As he has stated, it's not coming like to press the bell or to knock at your door. It's a silent killer. It's a silent disease which you'll never know. And this disease we can overcome only when we all know through what the medical teams have already stated and explained to you. With medical terms and the awareness that each and every one of us, we should follow the right direction as explained by the medical officers. In this team, this year, the observation of World AIDS Day, this team, it encourages each and every one of us to take part. To take part in any programs helping our people, be it in town or be it at the rural villages. Come out open, speak out and explain to each and every person so that they can understand well and they can understand Thai. Get a good knowledge of it. And the theme of this year, we have to take a collective responsibility.
Thank you.